Hey guys, Lockdown Security coming to you with another video of something you would installed. It's called the Auto-Blip. So for you weekend racers, if you have difficulties essentially downshift rev matching because your pedals are kind of not even, or it's difficult if you don't have high heel shoes or whatever the case may be, this device actually helps you with downshift rev matching, which is essential when you're cornering or whatever racetrack situation, so you don't disturb the balance of the vehicle while you're mid-turn or whatever the case may be. So how this works, it detects your brake pedal, detects your clutch pedal, and under certain conditions it will actually blip the throttle for you. So I'll put it in motion right now. So let's say I'm driving, downshift rev matching, I'm heavy on the brakes, clutch in, it'll blip the throttle. Duration as well, you can set depending on your driving style or depending on your vehicle actually. So if I hit the brakes again, hit the clutch, it'll blip the throttle, right? But everyday situation, you're driving on the street, you probably really won't be braking and then clutching in. You'll most likely be clutching in and then braking. So if you hit the clutch first and then hit the brake, it won't actually do the throttle. It'll only do it when you're under brake situation, and then clutch right after, it'll blip the throttle. You can also set the delay of how fast or how soon you want it to come on, blip the throttle, and how long you want it to blip the throttle for, depending on your gear ratios or any of that stuff. Very cool product. If you have one of these units, if you want us to install it, we can do that for you. Just give us a call at Lockdown Security, or search us on the web at www.lockdownsecuritycanada.ca. Thanks so much.